The best folding music stands to place your sheets. Before looking at the list of the best folding music stands, let's see why you need to invest in this handy tool. It helps performers and musicians protect their sheets and keep them straight so that their posture is comfortable. It also enables readers to recite without using their hands while they are on the stage. They are transportable and can be folded into a compact size, which makes them the ideal choice for both musicians and on-the-go performers. Plunge into our post as we listed some of the best ones in the market. Number 1. Best Foldable. Gleam Sheet Music Stand. Gleam is a global brand that specializes in musical instrument stands, capos, gig bags, metronomes, and other music accessories. We are doing our best to give every musician the best experience during playing music. Gleam's music stand is extendable from 35 inches to 55 inches and allows comfortable usage while sitting or standing. This stand offers maximum flexibility as the tray tilts 180 degrees. It is ideal for school or home use. The stand is easy to assemble and can be used for holding your music sheets, tablet, projector, and more. This item is easy to fold, includes a notes clamp, portable and includes a storage bag, tripod base. Fold the tripod base, then tighten the knob. It can ensure the stability of the whole stand and keep it away from wobbling. Lock the tray. Please loosen the large knob before adjusting the tilt. When inserting the small connecting plate into the slot, ensure that the fixing knob upward. Spring clips. Tray is fitted with a metal spring arm extension for holding sheet or books securely in one place. Number 2. Best Multipurpose. Kahoya 4-in-1 Dual-Use Sheet Music Stand. Suitable for sitting and standing positions, the music stand's height is adjustable from 31.5 inches to 57 inches. Its 2-inch deep tray helps hold music sheets or books and can be secured in place by metal spring arm extensions. The tripod feet are rubber-coated for a secure grip and can hold up to 12 pounds. For a more stable foundation, you can extend the tripod legs outwards. Kahoya 5-in-1 Music Stand. 1 music stand, 1 desktop stand, 1 carrying bag, 1 sheet music folder, 1 music sheet clip. A4 sheet music folder with 40 pockets that can hold 80 music sheets, and the unique design desktop stand allows us to transform the music stand into a desktop stand. Extendable and adjustable, great for both sitting and standing positions. Height can be adjusted from 31.5 and to 57 inches. 2-inch deep tray is enough to hold any kind of music sheet or books. Metal spring arm extensions hold music sheets and songbooks securely in place. This item is easy to carry, lightweight, multi-purpose and easy to assemble. Number 3. Best with Storage Bag. Donner Sheet Music Stand with Light. The steel music stand is lightweight and durable, and you can adjust its height from 16.5 to 57 inches. It has a strong base that opens and shuts swiftly, and an adjustable handle and desk knobs. The bookplate is constructed of high-quality ABS, while the shaft and legs are made of strong tubular steel. The set includes a stand light, a USB cord, and a sheet clip holder. This item includes a storage bag, easy to fold, portable and 360-degree foldable gooseneck. Portable and foldable designed, black foldable bookplate and steel music stand are very easy to carry in stock and come with a carrying bag for long-term or temporary use. Highest quality materials, 22.9-inch diameter base with rubber feet for quick and easy opening and closing, and a high-quality height-adjusting handle and desk knob. Sturdy and durable, the bookplate is made of tough ABS and can withstand 12 pounds of heavy objects such as books, computers, and projectors. The shaft and legs are made of high-strength tubular steel, which ensures the stability and durability of the music rest. Number 4. Best Classic Design. On-Stage Compact Folding Sheet Music Stand. The American Classic Design folds for easy storage and portability with a spring-loaded trigger release. The 2-section vertical shaft with cam-locking clutch and tilting book plate make this stand adjustable for sitting or standing positions. The fold-out extensions with a 6-point hinge system can hold 3 sheets. The bag included in this combo pack comes with a convenient shoulder carrying strap. The piped edges and durable material make this bag a smart choice to protect your stand. On Stage's music stand has a spring-loaded trigger release and a classic design. It is adjustable for sitting or standing positions with its 2-section vertical shaft, cam-lock clutches, and a tilting bookplate. The fold-out extensions with a 6-point hinge system can hold 3 music sheets. Its bag can help protect your stand with its piped corners and robust material. This item is extra leg braces. The tripod leg adjusts to varying spaces, easy to store and easy to use. Number 5. Best foldable design, image music stand. The stand is made of durable ABS plastic and has a foldable design. You can increase its height from 21.6 inches to 63 inches. The stand also includes a tray for holding items such as teacups and other small items, a music sheet clip holder, and a storage case for transporting the music stand. This item includes a platform angle adjusting button, revolving bookplate, sturdy and lightweight. The music stand plate is made from high-quality ABS plastic, a high-strength plastic to make it light enough to be carried around and durable enough to be used for a long time. And you don't have to be anxious about the music stand being scratched easily. The height of this music stand is adjustable, so you can adjust the height from 21.6 inches to 63 inches. Therefore, it is suitable for different stature people. Besides, the music stand plate can be also revolved from 0 degrees to 180 degrees to meet your needs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.